Let us now switch to the preparation to the core, right? So, as it is quite evident that you have been an achiever all throughout, and I believe you possibly had cracked the code of cracking the exams very early, because once in IIT and then all the attempts that you have taken for the UPSC also, you had something to actually be very proud of. So, could you just spell out for the listeners as to what were those basic strategies that always helped you crack it every single time that you attempted?
Sir, I would say there are 3-4 things. One is the mindset with which we go into any exam. I believe that any person from any background can clear the exam, and this is very evident in the results also. So I told myself that if anyone can do it, I definitely can. And again, sir, my mother really supported me on this. So going in the exam with this faith in yourself really helps, because throughout the preparation it's a very long journey. There are certain moments when you feel like whether I will be able to do it, and then when you have that faith in yourself, you actually do it. That was one thing. Another thing related to mindset was, I always told myself that even though everyone makes it out as a very big exam, it is something very big, but you have to tell yourself that it is just another exam. And the way we have done different exams in schools and colleges, this is also just another exam. You have to read certain things, you have to revise them, you have to write in a certain manner, and that's it. It's not rocket science per se. So simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. So I tried keeping it as simple as possible. That was another thing. Third thing was, sir, optimization, time optimization. Because in my first attempt I had only 10 months. So I made sure that I do not run behind multiple sources. I do not change my source every time there is a new question. I made my strategy, I took some resources and I read and revised them multiple times. I only changed my strategy a bit when I was not able to solve the previous year questions. That was another thing. And one important thing related to simplicity only, sir, I would say is UPSC has already given us the syllabus and previous year questions, and they should form the backbone of our preparation. If we read and revise syllabus and PYQs multiple times, we automatically start understanding what is the pattern of the exam, what is actually the demand of the exam. So that is something that helped me.